What is going on? Happy Tuesday. Before I go on my run, I just wanted to make this really quick video. I'm super excited. It's not just me receiving these unlimited $300 commissions, as you can see. If you're somebody that is interested in earning instant commissions, right? No monthly fees. And you also get the digital product where I show you step-by-step training on how I'm able to generate these type of results, right? This is for you. Watch this video all the way towards the end. It's not just me creating success. My team members are creating some really awesome success. And I'm going to flip over my camera so you can take a look at the different testimonials with this opportunity. And I'm going to share with you after I show you, right, exactly what we're doing to create these type of results. So let me go ahead and flip over the camera real quick. So as you can see right here, this is our community group. You can see here, Jonathan, he just made another $300 commission. I'm going to go ahead and just go check out his profile. And this is what he's doing. If you can copy and paste pre-written ads on social media, you can start changing your life. This is what he's been doing to generate these type of results. He's posting these ads. As you can see right here, just sharing with you what type of ads you'll be posting. As you can see right here, solve your money problems with this opportunity working from home. Learn how to earn up to $300 a day online, right? And he's getting tons of engagement here, as you can see. I'm going to show you a really cool one right here. Make money daily, get paid the same day. You can earn instant 100, 200 payments to PayPal, Cash App, or Stripe account just by using your smartphone, right? He's getting people, messaging him, getting started with him. And these are the type of ads that you're going to start posting, right, on different social media platforms, to start creating results. And so I'm going to share with you another testimonial here. These are just more people welcoming new team members, another new team member here. And big shout out to Jenna. She wrote, love this program, 4 friends joined today. She made $1,200 in one single day. And so, we had just 71 comments, people congratulating her. That's what it's all about when it comes to building success online, having a community of, entrepreneurs, just lifting each other up. And as you can see right here, big shout out to James. These are all the $300 commissions, just some of the $300 commissions he's been earning on a consistent basis. So again, I can be here forever just sharing with you all the different testimonials, but I'm not going to do that. This is another testimonial from Felicia. Always stay persistent. It pays off. Another commission came through. And these are all just different members, showing their results. Big shout out to Noah. He generated another $300 commission. So we have definitely a community to lift you up and help you get started. Lisa Armour, big shout out to her. Another $300 commission that she generated. And so what we're doing, Adriana, so what is it that you're doing to create these type of results? What we're doing, we're copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media like Facebook. If you have a Facebook, an Instagram, a TikTok, a Craigslist, right? We're posting these ads on social media. When somebody comes in, they see the value of the product, they join in, you get instantly paid. Simple as that, right? And of course, anything worth achieving, it does take hard work and dedication. You do have to be consistent. If you can follow simple step-by-step instructions, there's no reason why you can't get started with this online opportunity. Anyways, get started with the team. Go ahead and click on the link below, and I will see you at the top.